Feeling difficult to set up Power BI in your laptop? Then this is the right place where you can install it in just 1 minute. I am Priyanshu Sukla and I will walk you through the installation steps of Power BI. So let's see it. So we can install Power BI from two places. The first one is Microsoft Store and the second one is Microsoft.com. So we can see how we can download it. So let's go to Microsoft Store first. See, this is the Microsoft Store. Here we will write Power BI. Now it is coming. So we can install from here. And the next option is from its official website. So let's see how we can do it. So we will write Power BI download and check for its official website. This one. So you can see here there are multiple language options. We can download it in our own language, and there are multiple versions as well, means 32-bit and 64-bit. We can download any of them. So we go to download and choose the particular set of file according to our system requirements and download it. You can see here the size is 489 MB. So it is now downloading. You can see here this one. And the next option is from our Microsoft Store. So here if we do click on install, then it will directly install in our system. But if we go to our official website, means from here first it will download and then we need to install it by clicking that next option, that traditional way. So it is now downloading and it will hardly take 1 minute only to complete the setup. We can use it in Windows 10, Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and more, so on. And the server we can use Windows Server 2008 R2 and Server 2012 and 2012 R2. So these are the servers and operating system which are supporting Microsoft Power BI, and it needs a 32-bit or 64-bit platform. So let's complete the setup here and then we will go. Here now we can open it, and the next option we can open it from here as well because it is now installed in our system. So we can see here Power BI desktop is available. So you can see here it is coming here now. So we can select the one blank report here, and this is the visuals pane we can say, or the report builder where we add our visuals and show the data. So this is the visuals pane, this is data pane where we can see the tables, and this is the model pane. So here we can select all those tables and create a relationship between them. That means how the data is joining from one table to another table. And from here we can get the data. There are multiple data sources. We can select any of them and get the data for our report. So this is the basic overview of this Power BI desktop, how we install. We should use Microsoft Store to install Power BI desktop because from there we can automatically install all the updates. But if we use its official website, then we need to install it manually. So this is the basic difference between official website and Microsoft Store. So if you like the video, then press the thumbs up and comment if you have any doubt or anything you want to share with us. You can comment here and subscribe my channel, Power BI Guru. Thank you.